Have you ever looked at a massive bridge and wondered, how on earth did they build that? Or scrolled through your smartphone and thought about the magic happening inside? Behind almost every piece of modern technology, every towering skyscraper, and every drop of clean water from your tap, there's a team of unsung heroes, engineers. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of engineering, exploring what these brilliant minds do and how they are literally shaping the world we live in. So what exactly is an engineer? At its core, an engineer is a problem solver. They use science, math, and a whole lot of creativity to design, build, and maintain things that improve our lives. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about imagination and innovation. Think of them as the architects of progress. The field is vast, so let's break down some of the major branches. First up, civil engineering. These are the master builders of our world. They design and construct the foundational infrastructure we rely on every single day. We're talking about roads, bridges, tunnels, dams, airports, and water supply systems. When you drive on a highway or cross a bridge, you're experiencing the work of a civil engineer. They have to consider everything from the properties of the soil to the impact of earthquakes and the flow of traffic. Their goal is to create structures that are not only functional, but also safe, sustainable, and built to last for generations. It's a huge responsibility, and their work forms the very skeleton of our society. Next, let's talk about mechanical engineering. If it moves, a mechanical engineer probably had a hand in it. This is one of the broadest engineering disciplines. They work on anything with moving parts, from the tiniest gears in a watch to the massive turbines in a power plant. They design engines for cars and airplanes, create robots for manufacturing, and develop heating and cooling systems for our homes. They are experts in thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and material science. Essentially, they figure out how to make things work efficiently and reliably. The laptop or phone you're watching this on. A mechanical engineer helped design its physical components and manage its heat. Then we have the wizards of the modern age, electrical engineers. They harness the power of electricity to create a connected world. Their domain includes everything from the massive power grids that light up our cities to the microscopic circuits inside your computer. They design communication systems, like the satellites that beam this video to you, and work on electronics of all kinds. Without electrical engineers, there would be no smartphones, no internet, no television, and our world would be a much, much darker place. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electronics, making devices smaller, faster, and more powerful. Closely related is computer engineering, which is a blend of electrical engineering and computer science. These are the folks who design the actual hardware that software runs on. They create microprocessors, circuit boards, routers, and all the physical components that make up our digital world. While a software engineer writes the code, a computer engineer builds the machine that executes that code. They are the bridge between the tangible world of circuits and the abstract world of software, ensuring they work together seamlessly. Speaking of software, let's not forget software engineers. They are the creative minds behind all the apps, games, and operating systems we use daily. They write the code, the language that tells computers what to do. From the social media app you check every morning to the complex systems that manage financial markets, it's all built by software engineers. They are logical thinkers and creative problem solvers, designing elegant solutions to complex digital challenges and making our interaction with technology intuitive and powerful. Let's move on to chemical engineering. These engineers take scientific discoveries from the lab and scale them up for large-scale production. They apply principles of chemistry, biology, physics, and math to solve problems involving the production or use of chemicals, fuel, drugs, and food. They figure out how to turn raw materials into valuable products efficiently and safely. This could mean designing a process to refine oil into gasoline, developing new plastics, producing life-saving pharmaceuticals, or even creating that perfectly crispy potato chip. They are crucial to countless industries, from energy to healthcare to food and beverage. Another fascinating field is aerospace engineering. As the name suggests, these engineers design and build aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and missiles. They are divided into two main branches: aeronautical engineering, which focuses on aircraft that stay within Earth's atmosphere, and astronautical engineering, which deals with spacecraft that travel beyond it. They grapple with incredible challenges, like creating vehicles that can withstand extreme speeds and temperatures while being lightweight and fuel efficient. From the commercial jet that takes you on vacation to the Mars rover exploring another planet, aerospace engineers are the ones making human flight and space exploration a reality. And we can't forget about biomedical engineering. This is where engineering meets medicine and biology. These innovators develop technologies to improve human health. They design and create everything from prosthetic limbs and artificial organs to advanced medical imaging equipment like MRI and CT scanners. They might work on developing new drug delivery systems or engineering human tissues to repair damaged organs. Their work is at the forefront of healthcare, directly impacting and saving lives by bridging the gap between medical challenges and technological solutions. So, what does it take to become an engineer? It starts with a strong foundation in math and science, particularly physics and chemistry. Aspiring engineers typically pursue a bachelor's degree in a specific engineering discipline, which is a rigorous program filled with complex theories and hands-on lab work. But technical skill is only part of the equation. Great engineers are also excellent communicators, team players, and creative thinkers. They have to explain complex ideas to non-technical colleagues, collaborate with diverse teams, and think outside the box to come up with innovative solutions. The impact of engineers on our daily lives is truly immeasurable. The clean water you drink, the safe home you live in, the power that lights your room, and the device you're watching this on are all testaments to their ingenuity. They are the ones tackling some of the world's biggest challenges, like developing renewable energy sources to combat climate change, creating sustainable infrastructure for growing populations, and pioneering medical technologies to fight disease. They are constantly asking, "What if?" and then working tirelessly to turn those possibilities into reality. The world of engineering is a world of endless curiosity, relentless problem-solving, and profound impact. It's about building a better, safer, and more advanced future for all of us. So the next time you marvel at a feat of modern technology or infrastructure, take a moment to appreciate the brilliant engineers who made it all possible. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of engineers. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What field of engineering fascinates you the most? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.